Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss some more objective questions on SN1 mechanism. Now, first question is rate of solvolysis. Now, what is meant by solvolysis? If the solvent is involved in the substitution instead of an actual nucleophile is called as what? An solvolysis. For example, we are taking that what tertiary butyl chloride. Whenever it is reacting with what Ka in aqueous medium, it will give tertiary butyl alcohol. Actually here what should be formed? Tertiary butyl iodide should be formed, but here what is formed? Tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. That means actually this is the nucleophile. This can be substituted by the chlorine, but instead of this actual nucleophile, the OH minus from the solvent is what? Substituted. So therefore it is called as what? An solvolysis reaction. Now in this reaction, which one is undergoing more rate of solvolysis reaction? Now whenever they are asking SN1 question, first step there is a formation of carbocation. So therefore you break the carbon halogen bond, and arrange the carbocation. Next, second structure, you break the carbon halogen bond and you arrange the carbocation. Next, you break the carbon halogen bond and arrange the carbocation. Sorry, here one more carbon is present. See now here, carbon halogen bond is broken, carbocation. Next here also carbon halogen bond is broken and carbocation. Now you do that what? Carbon halogen bond is broken, then carbocation. Now after the formation of carbocation, you see the stability of carbocation. Which carbocation is more stable among this? Now here this is allyl carbocation, this is also allyl carbocation, this is also allyl carbocation, this is also called as what? An allyl carbocation. Now which one is undergoing more solvolysis reaction? Now all are 1 degree allyl carbocation. Now compared to this, here one alkyl group is present. Here two alkyl groups are present. Here one phenyl group is present. See now here conjugation is there. Positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond. Phenyl means what? Again resonance is there. No? So therefore here more is the resonance, more is the stability of carbocation. Here no plus I effect. Here one plus I effect is there because of this alkyl group. Next one is what? Here two alkyl groups are there. So therefore plus I effect is what? Here somewhat more when compared to second compound. Here what will be happen? Then resonance is going to be what? Taken place. Resonance is what? Highest. So therefore more is the resonance, more is the stability of carbocation. If more is the stability of carbocation, more is that what? An SN1 reaction. So therefore this is more SN1 than this, than this, than this. So therefore from this side to this side, solvolysis reaction is going to be what? Increases. Next, another one is question number 11. Among the following compounds, which one is undergoing SN1 reaction is easily? I told no, whenever they are under asking SN1 reaction, first you arrange the carbocation by breaking the carbon halogen bond. Now carbon halogen bond is broken. Carbon halogen bond is broken. Next, here also you can break that what? Carbon halogen bond. You can arrange the carbocation. Here also you can arrange carbocation. Next, here also you can arrange carbocation. Now after arrangement of carbocation, which carbocation is more stable? Now this carbocation is called as a what? An, so you know, positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, this one. So here we are having that what? A more resonance. We are having that what? A more resonance, and that too this compound is called as what? An aromatic compound. Why it is called as an aromatic compound means here this compound is satisfying that what? An Haeckel rule. So therefore it is called as a what? An aromatic compound. Now here how many electrons are there? Pi electrons, 6 pi electrons are there. So therefore if n is equal to 1 we are substituting, then 6 pi electrons that is satisfying that what Haeckel rule. So therefore this is aromatic compound. Next here positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, positive charge. Here conjugation is not there, so therefore it is called as a what? A non-aromatic compound. Next here positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Conjugation is there. And how many pi electrons are there? 4 pi electrons are there. 4 pi electrons is there means it is not satisfying that what an Haeckel rule. It is satisfying that what 4n pi electrons. So therefore it is called as what? An anti-aromatic compound. Next one is positive charge, single bond, double bond, conjugation is there. That too here how many pi electrons are involved in the resonance? 2 pi electrons are involved in the resonance. So satisfying Haeckel rule by placing n is equal to what? 0. So therefore this compound is aromatic. Now already we know that aromatic compounds are more stable than that what? Aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic. Now this compound is aromatic. This compound is also aromatic. Now which is more? Here more is the resonance, more is the stability. So therefore first compound is having more stable carbocation than the fourth compound, which is more stable than non-aromatic compounds, which is more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. This is the stability order of an SN1 reaction. Next, which are the following? Which are the following does not give an precipitate with what? Aqueous AgNO3. Which are the following does not give precipitate with aqueous AgNO3? Whenever here aqueous medium is given, no, so therefore you can follow that what? An solvolysis reaction. Here NO3 is there. Ag plus NO3 minus. Now this is 3 degree alkyl halide. Then you break the carbon halogen bond, arrange the carbocation. Next break carbon halogen bond, arrange the carbocation. Next break the carbon halogen bond, arrange the carbocation. Break the carbon halogen bond, arrange the carbocation. After arrangement of carbocation, which is more stable carbocation. See now this is 3 degree carbocation. See now this is called as what? A bridged head carbocation. Bridged position, the carbocation is formed. Now it is not a stable compound because that carbocation is a non-planar structure. So highly unstable. Next here also we are going to get that what? And 3 degree benzyl carbocation. Now here we are going to get that what? An aromatic compound. Yes or no? Yes, already here we discussed. Now this is aromatic compound. This is highly stable carbocation. Next this is highly next this one, next this one, next here at bridged position, bridge head carbons, positive charge is formed means that carbocation is unstable because of non-planar structure. So therefore it won't form precipitate with what? AgNO3 because this carbocation is unstable at this position. Next, which of the following is undergoing what? SN1 reaction. Now break the carbon halogen bond. This is the 1 degree carbocation. Break the carbon halogen bond. This is the 2 degree carbocation. Break the carbon halogen bond. This is the 3 degree carbocation. More is the degree of carbocation, more is the stability order of an SN1 reaction. So therefore third compound is highest. Next question number 14. Now here this compound is given. So now this compound I written like this. Now this is the compound. Yes or no? Now SN1 reaction they are asking means you break the carbon halogen bond and arrange the carbocation. Break the carbon halogen bond, arrange the carbocation. Break the carbon halogen bond and arrange the carbocation. Now which carbocation is more stable? Now in all these cases 3 degree benzyl carbocation is there. Now here what group is connected here? An electron donating group is connected. Plus M effect is what? Operating. Okay, now lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So conjugation is there. So therefore it will shows plus M effect. Now here no group is present, so it is a next here what group is present? NO2 group is present. Now NO2 group is acting as a what? Minus M electron withdrawing group. So therefore whenever electron withdrawing group is present, this group is withdrawing the electron from the benzene. Now benzene is withdrawing electron from that what? Carbon. So therefore the positive charge on the carbon is what? Increases. So therefore this is becomes more unstable carbocation. More is the unstable carbocation, least is the SN1 reaction. Okay, more is the electron donating group, more is the stability of carbocation. See now this is the electron donating group. So now this carbon is receiving that what? More number of electrons. So therefore that carbocation is becomes stabilized. So stability order is this one. This is more than this because of withdrawing group. Carbocation, stability of carbocation is inversely proportional to an electron withdrawing group. Stability of carbocation is directly proportional to an electron donating group, or it is directly proportional to that what? A resonance. Or this is this one. Next same question. This question also. See now in all cases 3 degree carbocation is there. Here one cyclopropyl ring, here one cyclopropyl ring. Cyclopropyl ring is common. Here no cyclopropyl ring. So therefore this is the list when compared to these two. Next when compare these two, which is the highest means. Now here this propyl ring is common, but here extra one alkyl group is present. So this is methyl group. Methyl group means what? It is called as what? An alpha position. Hyperconjugation is showing. Compared to this compound, here extra hyperconjugation is there. More is the hyperconjugation, more is the stability of carbocation. So therefore second compound is highest than that what? First compound, which is highest than that what? And third compound. Next one is now SN1 reaction. 3 degree alkyl halide reacting with methyl alcohol gives this product. 3 degree alkyl halide is undergoing hydrolysis, gives this methyl alcohol. Second reaction. Among these two, which one is the faster SN1 reaction? They are asking. Because 3 degree alkyl halide and a given solvent is polar. Polar protic solvents are more favorable for what? SN1 reaction. 3 degree alkyl halide polar solvent is most favorable for SN1 reaction, which is the better SN1 reaction. Now here the leaving group is common, right? Chlorine is the leaving group. Here the attacking of nucleophile. Now here CH3OH means what is the nucleophile? CH3OH means now CH3O minus, it will plus H plus. So this is the nucleophile. Next when we are taking the water means what? OH minus as H plus. Now these are the nucleophiles. Now size of the nucleophile is less, the substitution will be what? More. So therefore water is undergoing more nucleophilic substitution with the tertiary alkyl chloride when compared to this alcohol. So therefore second reaction is faster than that what? First reaction. Second reaction is faster than that what? First reaction. Next, which reaction is undergoing faster rate? Now same, break the carbon halogen bond. Next, break the carbon halogen bond and arrange the carbocation. Sorry, here you break the carbon halogen bond. Next here you break the carbon halogen bond. Now which is more stable? See now this is 2 degree alkyl carbocation. This is 2 degree allyl carbocation. This is 1 degree alkyl carbocation. This is what? Bridge position carbocation is formed. That is highly unstable. Now alkyl, 2 degree alkyl, 1 degree alkyl, 2 degree allyl. Sir, we know no. Allyl is more stable than alkyl. So therefore it is undergoing faster SN1 reaction when compared to that what? Other cases. Next another reaction. Next this one. Now this compound is reacting with aqueous NaOH. It will give two products. One is the rearranged product, another one is what? A normal product. Now rearrangement of an SN1. Now SN1 reaction means what? First we should break carbon halogen bond. Because when we are observing the mechanism of an SN1, first step is the formation of carbocation. So therefore, you break the carbon halogen bond and arrange the carbocation. Now this is called as a what? And 2-degree carbocation. Because this carbon attached to this carbon and this carbon, so therefore it is 2-degree carbon. Now this 2-degree carbon connected with what? 3-degree carbon. Already we know 3-degree carbocation is more stable. So therefore what will be happen? An hydride shift is going to be what? Taken place. Hydride shift. Hydride shift is going to be what? Taken place. Whenever the hydrogen is shifting, then the positive charge will shift to this side. Here hydrogen is there, methyl is there. Hydrogen is the smaller size, so therefore it is undergoing shifting is easy when compared to methyl group. So therefore hydride shift is faster than that what? And methyl shift. So therefore we are going to get that what? And 3-degree carbocation. We are going to get a 3-degree carbocation. Next one is what? Attacking of nucleophile. Now this is the stable carbocation. Now this is 2-degree carbocation. Here 2-degree carbocation. Here 3-degree carbocation is formed. Which is more stable? 3-degree carbocation is a more stable compared to and 2-degree carbocation. So now after that what? Attacking of nucleophile. Here they given that what? Aqueous NaOH. In aqueous NaOH means what is a nucleophile? OH minus is the nucleophile. That nucleophile is what? Attacking this carbocation. Then we are going to get that what? An rearranged product. This is called as what? And rearranged product. For suppose OH group is directly attacking here means this is direct product. CH3H, CH3OH. This is the minor product. Now this is called as what? A major product. Because here 3-degree carbocation is more stable. Okay, this is. Next, try this question. Same model. Try this question. Next, last model, this question. Ring expansion model type questions. Now here also you can do that what? Carbon halogen bond breakage. Carbon halogen bond breakage. Now what is given here? CH3 Cl is given. Okay, now the given polar solvent. So therefore carbon halogen bond is broken. Now arrange the carbocation. Arrange the carbocation. So ring attached carbons. This is a 4-membered ring. We know that 6-membered ring is more stable than 5. 5 is more stable than 4. 4 is more stable than 3, and so on we can write. Now this is 4-membered ring. Ring attached carbon is having the positive charge. So therefore, and ring expansion is going to be what? Taken place. So therefore this carbon is attacking here. Then we are going to get that what? And 5-membered ring. Because this carbon is attacked at this position. This carbon is connected with this carbon. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-membered ring. First position what is there here? This is the first, suppose first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes. Now first carbon is having that what? CH3 group and a CH3 group. Now we get this one here. Next positive charge will shift here. This carbon is connected here means positive charge will shift to second position. Now this is the 2-degree carbocation. Compared to 2-degree carbocation, 3-degree carbocation is more stable. So therefore here methyl shift is going to be taken place. Methyl shift. Now when methyl shift is going to be taken place here, then the positive charge will shift here. then what we are going to get? 3-degree carbocation is formed. Now 3-degree carbocation is formed. Now the attacking of what? A nucleophile. Here what is a nucleophile? Br minus is the nucleophile. That nucleophile is attacking over the carbocation. Then we are going to get this is our major product. Without rearrangement, if we are adding, this will give an minor product. This is the minor product. Now this is the major product. This is ring expansion questions. Okay. Next, solve these questions. Solve this question, which is more favorable for SN1 reaction. Which is more favorable for SN1 reaction. Next, which is forms precipitate with AgNO3. All these are previous year questions. Which is forms precipitate with AgNO3 easily. Among these two, which is highest. Next, among these two, which is highest. Next, among these four, which one is the highest? Okay, na? Next, another question. See this question, graph questions. Here, which is the rate determined step? Here, the given reaction, A is converting into B, B is converting into C, C is converting into D. Now, the given graph, progress of the reaction versus potential energy. A to B, B to C, C to D. This is given 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, the rate determined step of the reaction is asking. Which is the rate determined step? Among these, this one, which is the rate determined step? Okay, now rate determined step is called as what? Slowest step. Slowest step is always and rate determined step. In this graph, now the given graph is like this, no? Potential energy, progress of the reaction is given. See now where more is the activation energy? This is the graph, no? A. Now this is the D. Now from here to here, now this is called as what? An activation energy. Next, for this reaction, this is only the activation energy. For this reaction, this is only the activation energy. Now for suppose this is E dash. Now this is EA double dash. EA double dash. Now where activation energy is more? In first step, the activation energy is what? More. Here to here, the energy is more, no? Here to here, the energy is more. Here energy is less. Here energy is very less. Energy is, here activation energy is more. EA double dash, EA dash, EA double dash. More is the activation energy, more is the slow reaction. And this is a slow reaction. So therefore, A to B is the more activation energy. So therefore, more slowest step. Next, this graph you can try. Rate of reaction, they given methyl bromide, isopropyl bromide, and the tertiary butyl bromide is given. What about the rate? Now this is 0 degree alkyl carbocation. Now this is 2 degree carbocation. This is 3 degree carbocation. Now more is the 3 degree carbocation, more is the stability. So therefore the rate of reaction is increases like this. Yes, because it is 0 degree carbocation. This is 2 degree carbocation. This is 3 degree carbocation. It is more stable carbocation. More is the stable carbocation, more is the rate of reaction. More is the rate of reaction. Thank you.